Multitester. Multitester or multimeter is sometimes called the VOM. Stands for volt-ohm-millimeter. It is the best instrument that can measure voltage, resistance, and current. There are two types of meter. These are the analog type and digital. Parts of a multitester. Pointer. The needle-shaped rod that moves over the scales of a meter. It is mechanically connected to moving coil. It indicates the measured values on the multimeter. Range selector knob, also known as a selector switch, makes it possible to select different functions and range of the meter. Adjustment screw makes it possible to adjust the pointer to the 0 position of the scale. Scale. Scale is a series of marking used for reading. Test probe is used to connect the circuit to the electrical components being tested. Zero-ohm adjusting knob is used to zero in the pointer before measuring resistance. Proper care and maintenance of the multitester. 1. Read manual of instructions on how to operate the multitester. 2. In reading the amount of voltage, always start with the highest range to avoid reading voltage higher than the tester setting. 3. Be sure that tester is set to the correct range setting. Resistance range when measuring the ohm, voltage range when measuring voltage, and ammeter range when measuring the value of current. 4. Always check the condition of its battery. Worn-out batteries will damage the internal setting of tester. 5. When the tester is not in use or will be stored, set the selector switch to 1000 volts or 2 off position. 6. Never drop the tester.